I put my feelings in the bag. It's hard to think about the future when you living in the past. Before I chase a bitch, rather run miles for the racks. If I put it in the sun, I really did it, I don't care. Nobody really understands, so I fake rules back to back. If I got a gang, got it all, my brothers know that's facts. Better know I got that chrome if I'm riding in the back. We ain't running from no smoke, quick to leave where you at. In my city, they all envy, I can't leave without my smack. I might gun a nigga down, then think about it later. And I know I'm doing good, I can tell by the haters. The way my whole team ball, we could've been the Lakers. Support my brothers to the fullest, every day I motivate them. And we locked in for real, and petty arguments can't break us. You wasn't around when they broke back, don't have your hand out when I make it. SAR, if we ain't have it, gotta know that we gon' take it. Everything I say I do, I don't get the point of faking. I can't trip over no bitch, these runners, they ain't got no laces. I know it's all gon' fall in place, so I just sit back and be patient. Time to wait on nobody, get off your ass, don't waste it. All my niggas from the bottom, yeah, we came from the basement. Gotta know it's a better way to be in the jail or on the pavement. Whole lot up on my mind, you would think that I'm crazy. Never thought that day would come out and say long live my babies. Lately it's been fuck love and get a bag. You ever had to slow down cause you was living fast? I had to fall back cause I know I'm built to last. And when they took my breath, I got in mode, I wasn't sad. We really came from nothing, that's why all my niggas brag. I be really going through it, you don't even know the high. Rubber band every rack, you gon' throw it in the stash. I be to myself in my own lane, I won't crash. As a kid in the winter watching the cars drive past. I can do it by myself and that's the reason that they mad. I don't care what they say cause they wouldn't pay me. Loyalty overall, but all my niggas Slim G. I just wanna see my brother, that's why I get higher than the tree. Rip my heart out my chest, they said you died on the scene. I'ma do this shit for y'all and that's exactly what it means. Try to keep myself together, but it's harder than it seems. Ain't no man that I fear, you gotta know we all bleed. Even when I took a loss, I was still in the lead. It's all up to you, you gon' fall off or succeed. You don't win right away, you gotta know that's how it be. I love you, big bro. On the east, this shit still processing. I don't wanna believe this shit at all. My trap buddy, for real. We been through it, but we stay solid. I love you the most, gang. Long live my brother, Mr. Out the Mud. Just wish I could talk some more shit with you. No bullshit. Get on motherfuckers' eyes for no reason. Shit'll never be the same at all. And I know life goes on, but I swear to God I'll never forget my brother. I love you, nigga. You knew that, though.